US job growth surges. Is turbulence on the horizon? Economists, brace yourselves. The latest jobs report is in, and it's a mixed bag of good news and potential warning signs. Let's dive into the numbers and analyze what this means for the US economy. The US economy added a robust 228,000 jobs in March, exceeding most economists' expectations. This figure points to continued strength in the labor market, defying predictions of a slowdown. But is this growth sustainable, or are we heading for choppier waters? The unemployment rate remained steady at 3.5%, a historically low level. This indicates a tight labor market where employers are competing for workers. Wage growth, however, remains a key area of concern. Job gains were widespread across several sectors, including leisure and hospitality, healthcare, and professional and business services. This diversification suggests a healthy and resilient economy. However, some sectors are showing signs of weakness. The manufacturing sector, for example, has been facing headwinds due to supply chain disruptions and rising interest rates. These challenges could potentially impact future job growth. We need to monitor these trends closely. Despite the positive headline numbers, many economists are sounding a note of caution. They point to several factors that could lead to economic turbulence in the coming months. Inflation remains stubbornly high, forcing the Federal Reserve to continue raising interest rates. These rate hikes could slow down economic growth and potentially trigger a recession. The ongoing war in Ukraine and geopolitical tensions are also adding to the uncertainty. Careful analysis is crucial. The strong jobs report could lead to a short-term boost in investor confidence. However, economists must consider the underlying risks and potential headwinds. A deeper dive into the data is essential. Focus on leading indicators, such as housing starts and consumer spending, to get a more comprehensive picture of the economy. Don't rely solely on the headline numbers. The US economy is currently navigating a complex and uncertain landscape. The strong jobs report is a positive sign, but it's important to remain vigilant and monitor the potential risks. A balanced approach is key. Economists must carefully analyze the data, consider the various factors at play, and provide informed insights to guide businesses and policymakers. The future remains uncertain. Stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to our channel for in-depth economic analysis and market updates. Download our free report on the key economic indicators to watch in the coming months. Share this video with your fellow economists, and let's navigate these turbulent times together.